Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to remove the watermark from Instagram Reels. Subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Write whether my solution helped you, whether you managed to do so. I will definitely read your comments. Let's try something and learn something new. Let's get started. Let's go. We need to go to Instagram. Then we need to open Reels. And we're going to scroll through and let's say we like one of these videos. To do that, we first need to download it. How do we do that? We click Share here. Then we click Copy Link. Exit. Go to any browser. I have it Safari. Find the site called snapinsta.app. Next we have to click and put the link. And then click Download. It's downloading our video. We leave with you to the bottom. Click Download Video. The video is downloading now. Close. Click Download. The download is done. Now we can click on this icon. Click Download. And there we have our video without the watermark. That's how easy and simple it is to download. Now we can click Share and add this video to our gallery. Photo album. Then exit. Go to the gallery. Click on it. And there it is. And most importantly, there's no watermark. This is how easy and simple it can be done. The link will be attached comment to this service, to this site. You can go and download without any watermarks. If you liked this video, subscribe to the channel, like it. Goodbye.